guys, so today I'll teach you how to tune, wax, and sharpen a race ski. First things first, you're going to need some gloves to make sure you don't hurt yourself. After that, then you're going to need your ski. Then you're going to need to rubber band your ski. This is called a break of the ski, so when your boot's not in, these are down so your ski doesn't fall down the hill. So all we're going to need to do, rubber band it around and it'll hold these back. And then get ready to sharpen. Alright, so to get the rust and dirt off the edges, we're going to be using the most coarse file we have, which is called the bastard file. And we're just going to hook it up to our jig and it'll shave it all right off. Okay, for the next fine file, it's just to kind of clean up and actually create the edge that we want. And it'll get all the nicks and stuff that I said earlier on the edge, so hook it up to the jig and let's go. Alright, and the last of the three base files, we're going to be using the fine file just to smooth out the edge and all the nicks, just to get down to a really fine edge. Alright, so now all you gotta do is you just gotta flip it over and do the same thing to the other base. Alright guys, so now that we finished the sharpening of our base, now we're just going to be sharpening our edges. All you gotta do, flip the ski on its side, latch it in. Same principles apply. But instead of using our half-degree jig, what we're going to be using is our 3-degree jig. And the same things, just bastard, second cut to smooth. And then we're going to be using our polishing stones. Now we're going to be using our second cut. Last but not least, we're going to be using our smooth. Alright, now after we use the files to sharpen out the edges, now we're going to be using a 200 grit polishing stone. And same rules apply, but instead of just going one direction, you can go back and forth as much as you want. Alright, so now that we got one of the edges done, now we need to go flip the ski over and we got to do the exact other side. Okay, so we're just going to be melting our pea wax. So eventually start to ignite. So now that's all cooled off, it's really rough, as you can see. So we're just gonna take, use razor blade, and we're just gonna scrape it all off. Now the key to doing this is that you want to do it really carefully, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna be using wax and iron now to wax the ski. So initially we're just gonna put it on the bottom of the iron. We're gonna use it. We're gonna use the corner. And now I'm just gonna iron it all out together. And then that's it. You just learn how to tune a ski and how to repair it and wax it. So there you go.